Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.